Update number 4 is that TikTok's ad-free subscription is now here, what it means for UK marketers. So here in the UK, TikTok is rolling out a brand new subscription called TikTok ad-free. Here are the key details. The first is that it costs $3.99 a month. It's gradually becoming available over the coming months to UK users who are over 18. Of course, users who choose not to subscribe can simply continue using the free ad-supported version of TikTok. You can also change your ad preferences if you feel like you're seeing ads that aren't relevant to you. You can adjust your subscriptions in your settings if you want to change your plan at any time. Regardless of whether you pay for or use the free version of TikTok, your experience of TikTok will not change. All users will retain full access to the same features, creators, and content. So, this is another move from another social media platform to offer a new subscription where they can hopefully make a new revenue stream. I'm not too worried about it or concerned about it, given that last year, when Meta launched its own ad-free subscription, we didn't see a huge amount of difference in reach for any of our ad accounts or advertising. But if you are running TikTok ads, then that could be something that you keep an eye on in terms of reach and impressions here in the UK and see if your ads have been affected at all. I would be very surprised if this did move the dial on the success of your ads much, but just another way for TikTok to add that ad free supported subscription service.